Good afternoon, Larry with Warmboard Radiant here in Lathrop, Colorado, just outside of Buena Vista, up against the Collegiate Peaks. I'm in roughly a 3,000 square foot ranch house with a crawl space below and a very small basement, just a mechanical room. Here's their kitchen, dining, great room. They put in a wood burning fireplace. Nice entryway. On the left is a office, and this is a studio. This goes back to the guest bedrooms. Bedroom number one. And there's a Jack and Jill bathroom. Here's another drop-down shower. So they have a curbless entryway into their shower. Here's the other bedroom. Looking west again, this is the master suite. Straight ahead will be the master closet. This is the commode room. And then they'll have a nice wide sink, double sink here. A tub. And then they have another step down of the Warmboard so they can have a curbless shower, and they'll install a mortar bed into this curbless shower so it's all nice and level. This is a engineer page showing the 3/4 inch piping for the remote manifold. So as you can see, there's the location of the boiler, which will be down below bedroom 3 in the basement. And then we're showing how that 3/4 inch line will run all the way over to the remote manifold that is going to be in the wall of the closet. Also, we're showing where all the thermostat locations are. So T8, we're showing that right on that wall, and it's been labeled and written on the stud 5 feet off the floor. And what is required from the electrician is 1 neutral, 1 hot wire. It's 110, and they run about 1 amp each thermostat. And again, as you see here, there's no pulling wire through all the walls. From the 110 power of this thermostat, the communication from each thermostat back to the boiler is wireless.